Good morning friends, myself Dr. Tanuj Kumar Sohan, MOIC in charge in Agra. Today I am going to tell you about piles or hemorrhoids. So what are piles and hemorrhoids? Piles and hemorrhoids are the collection of tissues and veins that become swollen and inflamed. So they are of two types, internal and external. And what are the causes that causes behind the development of piles? So the cause vary from like a person having a chronic constipation, chronic diarrhea, if he used to lift very heavy items or weight on regular basis during pregnancy, or passing stool or staining on that time, staining on passing stool, due to that is constipation. So in internal piles, usually you will not suffer pain until or unless it has been converted into a thrombosed hemorrhoids. That is due to the formation of thrombus. Thrombus is like the clot. So in usual symptoms, you will see only bright blood coming out. But if your bright blood is continues even after 1 week, then you need to see along with the symptoms like the weakness, lightheadedness, so pain. So you need to see your consult doctor to rule out other possibilities like this type of bright red can also be happen in the colorectal cancer. So other symptoms include like swelling around the anus, pain during passing stool, passing out blood on defecation. And main thing is that nearly 3 out of 4 adults will have hemorrhoids from time to time. So it is common. So how will you manage when you are suffering from the piles? So first of all, the management is that avoid constipation, take fiber rich diet, drink plenty of water, avoid salty fried like and meat, egg, tea, etc. Avoid spicy food, be hydrated, do regular exercise, don't strain during passing stool, apply ointment when there is a itch or burning sensation, or you can apply little Vaseline over the anus. Okay. And take warm sitting, that is called the stills bath. Stills bath is like the sitting in warm water according to your appropriate warm water, and for 15 minutes twice a day, twice or thrice a day. And homeopathic medicine for piles are only depend upon the usually depend upon the symptomatic. We used to give the symptomatic treatment and what are the symptoms, but the common medicine are Nux vomica 30, Aesculus, or Retania, Colinsonia. And main thing is that if you have some symptoms, you can also, there is also availability of the ointment that is called the Aesculus ointment, so you can apply over that. Thank you. Any query you can ask me.